Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a Eclipse Attitude 19 FB. This is a very lightweight unit. Can be towed with most half-ton trucks. It's going to have about a 5,500 pound weight category, dry weight as it sits. Come on inside, we'll start in the interior. We walk in here, this is a very nicely appointed inside here. It's got the nice rocker swivel chairs, very comfortable. Little table in between that pulls out, nice little living room window. We got our command center all in one space right here with our switches and tank monitor, stereo system, all right there. Overhead cabinetry. Lots of space there. The overhead bunk. This is going to have a couch on this side that will make into kind of a J couch, make into a single bed on the side with the table here. Has the rear patio cable kit that makes it nice. So we got another ramp out the back end for I guess you call it the patio, the party deck. This one does come with the Furman generator. That's a portable generator with remote start that's in this package. We pan over to this side, we get the kitchen area, windows, overhead cabinetry, big single basin sink, pull out nozzle with sprayer, nice big kitchen window, nice cabinetry, drawers, nice hardware. 3-burner cooktop with the high output burners, nice oven there, as well as the microwave. You got the big refrigerator, the corner bed, corner bath. This one has a vacuum bonded floor that's very sturdy throughout. No vents in the floor, so we don't get the dirt piling up in the vents. It's all vented through and above floor. Cabinets on the side to hang up our coats and whatnot right by the doorway. Everything in this trailer is going to be LED lights inside and out. Plenty of plug-ins throughout as well. And then this one is the aluminum framed with fiberglass. It's got the Gladiator 15-inch tires. Reinforced suspension here to the frame, as well as having the Zerk fittings on all the shackles so we can grease it ourselves. This particular model weighs 5,480 just as it sits. Has the power awning up top, LED exterior lighting, exterior speakers, got the spotlight out the patio side, 8-foot deck out the back end, reflectorized logos with reflectorized tail lights, a safety feature so the guys behind you can see you. If your plug came undone and you're traveling at night, you're not going to get rear-ended, hopefully. This one's going to have the onboard fuel station. On-off switch here with the gauge tells you how much fuel you have with the pump station inside there. Fuel fill is on the same side as your vehicle, so real easy to pull into the gas station and fill it full of fuel. Our hookups are right here on the sidewall, very easy to access. Low point drains, shore cord connected to the trailer. Under bed storage underneath here, lots of space in this trailer, more than you're going to find in most bigger toy haulers in a pull trailer. Very nice. Magnetic catch. 4-corner stabilizers all the way around. Big rack up here, so if we want to mount the portable gen, we can mount it here, as well as a space for 2 more batteries that we would put on this unit. Battery disconnect right on the frame rail. 2 large propane tanks. It's got the fiberglass exterior siding that's very nice. Just another one of these fine products from Eclipse in the Attitude model. 19 FB, a little shorty, half-ton towable for most, and big enough to put any kind of, just about any of your side-by-sides built out there today, 2 or 4 seaters should fit in here. If not, we go to the next size bigger. We got plenty of floor plans in the Attitude lineup to show you and to sell why we have here in stock here at Junction City and at Guaranty RV Center. Feel free to give me a call. I'm Clay.Thompson at Guaranty RV Center. My direct number is 541-979-1770. And remember, I can't save you any money if you don't talk to me.